We're in the Herd is Tiffany, where we talk about travel, lifestyle, and mental health. Follow us on Instagram at Sweet Tiffies, Twitter at Sweet Tiffies, Facebook Sweet Tiffies Inspirations, and Tiffany-Travels.com. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Welcome to Atasa Manso Market in Kumasi. Let's go on a market adventure. So we're at the local market. Abina, tell us what we're doing today.
Jollof and fufu.
So we're buying fresh tomatoes and tomato paste and onions. Erica. Hey.
Yeah.
We're in the market.
Shopping for food.
Not the grocery store. Fresh ingredients. We're at the market. You see the fresh. Look how green that looks. Bell peppers, carrots, and these are the different spices. So we are getting fruit for the juice. So fresh carrots. What is this one? Copradoso. Okay. This is dried fish. So they dried in the sun.
Yes.
And this is lettuce. Look at the right from the roots. See? And then they wash it over here. So that'll be for lettuce.
Hey.
We're in the market today. This is fresh beef right here. I'm from America, so we don't know what they're putting in our beef, but one reason why I love Ghana is because everything is so fresh. So here we are in the market, literally fresh food everywhere.
That's what it is.
After our market shopping, Abina, our host, fixed us breakfast, baked beans, fried plantains, and eggs with vegetables and fresh squeezed juice. We are cleaning the lettuce with sea salt, or you can clean it with vinegar, but this is sea salt right here. So I know a lot of Americans are afraid to eat like the lettuce and the water and different things like that, so that's why we're cleaning it. But yeah, it came fresh out of the ground versus at the store with a bag. Another reason to come to Ghana. Fresh food everywhere.
So I'm putting it here. Yeah. Just put it in there. Move my hair.
Do they normally eat a lot of salad? You guys don't eat a. Do you guys eat a lot of salad? No, not really.
It depends. If you like it. Oh, you can wash it.
Say it again.
You can wash it there. Then you
wash it in here. Okay.
You wash it there first before you put it in this one.
Because you have to wash it 3 times.
Like turnip greens.
You use green.
Yeah.
You want it to be green so bad.
Well, you have to wash turnip greens 3 times. or they will be really salty and gritty.
But a lot of people don't take it so.
So we are cleaning the fish. That's a tooth, and we just took the eyeballs. Let me show you the eyeballs, y'all. It looks weird. Ooh. And the way she popped it out, she just.
Right. Okay, the eyeballs of the fish.
This is the beginning process of fufu. Cassava, and then we have to do the yam. So this is gonna be the stew or the
The soup.
Oh, the soup. Oh, smells good. Let's see how it tastes. We're pounding the fufu. That's the cassava and the plantain. So you have to be really careful with your hand. You have to be in sync. Hard work muscles from pounding fufu.
But just straight it.
Straight it like this.
Do we have to raise it higher or no?
Next year we'll be doing it what? Next time.
Next time.
All these people will be this year or next time. Next year.
It's harder than what it looks like.
Yeah, right.
And what is this made from?
Cassava. This
This
is
is
a tree.
what kind of tree?
I don't even know.
And that was making it hard because the dough is hard. Y'all, this is a good workout.
Hey, it's okay. Well done.
So now we're mixing the two in there. You can see the cassava and then the plantain in there. Make it look so effortless. Okay, y'all, we are eating fufu. I don't know if you can see this. So here's the fufu, here's the soup, beef, fish, and okra. So if you're eating fufu, and I haven't had it in a while, but you would just take a little piece, dip it into your soup, and you cannot chew this, y'all. You have to swallow it. And there you swallowed it. So if you chew it, it's doughy, so you can't chew it. And then you can get a little piece of beef or whatever and dip it in the same way.
We are eating together.
She was asking. She wanted you to show her.
Right. Hey everybody, it's EJ the Travel Diva, and I am for the very first time eating fufu. And this is what it looks like. It looks like a dough, and there's some soup, and there is fish and beef and okra in here. And I don't even know how to eat it. I hear it's with your hands, and you're gonna show me how.
You just take a piece.
I'm gonna take a
tiny piece.
I'll take a tiny piece.
Dip it to the soup. You can get more than that, but dip it to the soup.
Dip it in the soup.
And then swallow. It's weird at first, but just swallow.
Do this.
Swallow, okay. Pinch it off. I'm gonna have to get a little. Dip it in the soup.
You swallow it. It tastes nice.
Or it's hard. I mean,
It's
you could try to chew it, but see the difference.
Fish.
Try chewing it and see.
Oh, funny that.
You try to chew it? See. We are sharing a meal of jollof rice, plantains. Plantains are good. Kofi's eating fufu and fish. Erica's eating jollof rice. This took all day
And
to
fried
prepare, y'all.
plantains.
We started at what, 10 o'clock?
Yeah.
And we're just now eating. It's almost 7 o'clock, y'all. Or it is 7 o'clock, so. But it looks delicious.
Everything made from scratch.